What is up, my lovely fans? This is also song coming back to you guys with another food review. And this time, this is going to be a food review on Barro's Pizza. On a Barro's Pizza, have a pineapple pizza. So yeah. Yeah, it's got ham and pineapple on it, and we're gonna take a bite of this right here on camera in just less than a minute from now. So yeah, it's got ham on it, it's got pineapple, and we originally had a pizza since last night, but tonight we're doing another pizza. This time for Barro's Pizza. Okay, now it's time to take a bite of this pizza. I hope you guys are watching this because here it goes.
As we canvassed the neighborhood, we wound up finding some people at a local business. Some secretaries were looking out the window and they saw three black males carrying a large, heavy box, really struggling with it.
But police were suspicious for a number of reasons. First, they could find no traces of blood or evidence of violence in Kathy Segusti's basement. And second,
It's somewhat okay.
no record of any 19-year-old woman by the name
I'm gonna have to
of
get this
Madross.
pizza a
When police
6.2
arrested Mayweather for the stabbing of Kathy
out of
Segusti, he
5.8 stars. So
or her whereabouts. Without a
So-
body or any corroborating forensic evidence,
yeah,
police had to go
that's when
on
I'm gonna get the pizza.
suspicions
6.2 out of 5.8 stars. So yeah. So anyway, that's gonna be it for this episode number food review number 30 of Barro's Pizza. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys again in a little while for more great content coming your way momentarily.